Hi, my friends. I'm Hassan. I'm here in the Dubai. I work in the PLC Ultima. Is more than this company is 2 years. I know you are a networker. I know you are an investor. You always the fear about the investment, and you always fear about the networking. Why? Because many company already doing the scam with you, and you lose your money and lose your face value. I invited to you, and here in the PLC Ultima. You never lose your money, you never lose your face value. Why? This company already 6 years on the market. We have our 6 year experience on the market. We don't have any problem in the before 6 years. So you can make your own careers with the PLC Ultima. That's why I will invite to you. And I invited to here in the Malaysia. She's from in Malaysia. He from in Pakistan. She from in Bangladesh. And he from in Bangladesh. He from in Bangladesh. She from in Bhutan. He from in Nigeria. And also he from in Pakistan, in Bangladesh, and is my best friend from in the Austria. Look on these guys. Why I invited to you? Because PLC Ultima is not like the ROI company. You put your $100, you get $300. It's not like company. PLC Ultima is as like www.company. It's not like this company. The PLC Ultima is the blockchain company. You are a creator of PLCU. Guys, you think yourself. Before 10 years ago, if you have a Bitcoin mining machine and you create the coins, what happened in your life now? Why you don't take this action with the PLC Ultima? You have only your smartphone. Just you download two application, the PLC Ultima Farm and Ultima Wallet, and you can make your money here. No need mentally stressed, no need your fearing, no need your any hesitation, no need anything. Just you download two application, Ultima Wallet and Ultima Farm, and you choose your Ultima Minter pack. Which pack you love? 11,000 euro, 5,000 euro, or 27,000, 110,000, 550,000 euro. You choose your farm and you put your coins, and you can get the new coins in every month, and you can enjoy your Ultima life.